Alright, so welcome back to the show. It's the rapping chef Mac the Real. What's going on? What's going on, people? So today, what I will be teaching you is how to cook perfect rice. I've learned this since I was a kid, and in my mind, I thought everyone knows how to do it until one day I heard a friend of mine says he's still working on learning how to cook rice. For the metrics of rice, just know that there is a 2-to-1 ratio when it comes to rice. So there's 1 rice and 2 water. So if it's a cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. We're gonna cook 2 cups of rice. You can start off your stove on a high temperature. The chef have to use them salt. And this is the rapping chef. I just showed you how to cook rice. So like, subscribe, and share.